Hello, this is Ripon Ochan Chapel from wpthemehat, and today we are going to make a very specific niche website for you guys. So today we'll have a look on how to make a fishing and sea hobby WordPress website. So for making this website, we will use this theme Marino that is made by Vicru Themes, and we will discuss more about this theme. So first of all, we will have a look on how this themes preview looks. So we'll click on here with the live preview button, and here is the home page of this beautiful WordPress theme, and you can see here an Offcanvas button, and it is having a beautiful Offcanvas, and here is the menu, and it is having 5 other home pages. As you can see here, there are total 5 home pages. There is about a space, there is shop page, there is service 2 page, and service details, and also a 404 page. And for the blog, you are having a beautiful blog page also, and a contact page. So we will have a look on how this homepage is look like. So you can see this is a slider. First of all, the hero slider, and in the second section we are having awesome services with the zigzag versions, and we are having some statistics here, and we are having more statistics, and we are having a testimonial, and it is working perfectly, as you can see here. And here's the hunting spot that you want to show, that where is your next hunting spot. So you can show here, and you are having your beautiful expert team sections here with the slider functionality, and then the products that you can sell through this website. So it is, beside all of these things, it is having a beautiful WooCommerce functionality. So you can sell your shipping thing, you can sell your fishing things, you can sell your hobby type things from here, and the company that we have worked with, and the blog sections and the footer. So this is the homepage, and you will get 4 more home pages like this, and you can have a look on the shop pages also and the blog page also. So we will have a look on the shop page first, and here it is. So if I go here, and you will see the shop page, and it will work perfectly. As you can see, the product has been added. Now if I go to the view cart, then you will see the cart page here, and if you go to the checkout page, then this is the beautiful checkout page that we have made here for you guys. And here is the blog page, and we are having a beautiful sidebar area with the categories and the recent post and some metadata, and we are having here the slider, and then video. So, and we are having also the audio support, but it's not showed here, so you can made it like that also. So after downloading, when you purchase this theme from here, you will get a zip folder. So here's the zip folder, Marino final. So you need to, for uploading this theme, you need to extract this file first, and in the final folder you will get 4 folder: demo data, then the main theme, then the child theme, then the documentation part. And we have already set up a blank WordPress here, and we have only activated here 2024. If you don't know how to install WordPress on your domain and hosting, then you can follow my other videos too. And in here I will upload this theme, this Marino folder. So I will click on here, add new theme, and I will click here upload theme. Then I can drag and drop and or choose the file. So I will drag and drop it and click on install now. So the theme has been installed. I will click on the activate button now. Yeah, so you can see the Marino thinks here that that theme has been activated, and if I click on the theme details, then it will get the version 1.0.2 and by which uh, by the author name and some descriptions and other things. Now it will come with a prompt that what kind of plugin that need to be installed for using this theme, and you can see here this was the previous look, and if I give a refresh now in here, then I will get a website with the blank website like this, because there is nothing in this website, that's why it's like this. And we will get a search pop-up area, and there is no post, so here it is like this. Now if I go here with begin installing plugins, then I will select all the plugins and click on the install button and click on the apply. So the plugin will be installed in few times, so wait till then. So in a few time, all of the plugin will be installed, and we need to click here in return to the required plugin installer, and obviously we need to activate all of these plugins. So we'll click on the activate button and click on the apply. After completing the installation, plugins configuration things will come. This time it has come with the TI wishlist plugin, so I'll click on not right now. Okay, after completing the plugin installation, we will go here in appearance, then import demo data. Because after we are using this theme, because we will make our website very quickly, very efficient way. So for that, the thing we have seen here in the live website, like we are having 5 home pages, about page, and the shop page, and the other pages that we are having, we will import that same thing into our website also. So in here we will have options like import demo data, and then if we click on import demo data, then this stuff will come. Then again we need to click on continue and import, and if we do this part successfully, then this whole website that we are seeing here, it will be imported into our this site also. So I'll click on here continue and import, and it will take some more time because all the demo content that need to be come into our website. So after click on import demo data, then you need to wait some time. After a few time, it will be imported successfully. And we have faced some of our clients that they will face some issues if they don't have the post max size, or the execution time is not at its upper limit, not the lower limit. So you need to increase that things, post max size and max execution times, you need to increase that. After a few minutes, if everything all right, then our demo import will be completed. Now if I go here in our live website and give a refresh, then we will see that the header part here is missing. Otherwise, the most of the things that we are having, the slider, then the service sections, then the counter area, then testimonial, then the hunting spot, all of the other things is fixed. Without this here, the wish list settings, also the wish list settings has broken, and some other, and all the things are fine. So for fixing this header part, we need to understand how the header and the footer area works here. So we are having a builder for the header and the footer part. So we will go here in, we will refresh once again here, and we will go here in the Marino builder, and we are having footer builder, header builder, and tab builder. So for the header and footer builder, it works in the same way. So for the header builder, we will click on the header builder here, and we are having 5 beautiful header for 5 home pages. So if I click on view, then you will see that the home pages that we are, the header part we are having. So it's different from one to another. So by this 5 header, we will change in our live website. But in here, the header part is missing. So for fixing that, we will go here in the Marino options, and from there we will go on header. And you can see here the select header that is missing, that is not selecting it by default. Okay, so this Marino options, this is for global, like the home page, and we are having some other pages too. So if I go and check you guys that the about page or the blog page or suppose the service page, it is having all same header. That means it is completely missing right now. So the global header like about us page, blog page or service page, we need to set the header first. So for setting that, we need to come here with Marino options, then the header part, and we need to select this header. So I will select the header 1 as a global header, then I will click on save changes. Now if I go on about us page, if I give a refresh, then I will see the header has been successfully set. If I go on the blog page, so it is for global header part that we have set successfully. Now if I go on like contact us page, so the global header has set. Now suppose I want to go on home 1, here from home 1. In the home 1, the global header also has been set because the header was missing from here. So for the global options, we need to select it from here, and if I go on the footer also, then you are having a pre-built footer here, that is this one, a pre-built. Sorry, that is if I go on the contact space, then we can see the pre-built footer. So this is the pre-built footer as this one, only the footer area. So if I click on here the footer builder and select another footer like footer 1 and click on save changes, then if I refresh here, then you will see the footer, the global footer that is actually working for all other pages as well. So suppose now I want to set a specific header for the home 1 and a specific footer for the home 1. So for that, we need to go here with edit with Elementor button, and we need to click here with edit with Elementor. The options that we have seen here in the Marino options, this one will work on all over the website. And if we want to set a specific header and footer for a particular pages like about us page or home to or the service page, then we need to follow this one. We need to click on that specific page with edit with Elementor. Then we'll need to click on here the page settings. Then in the header options, as you can see the pre-built. Pre-built means it will come from this header part. And if I change it to like header builder, then if I select it like this one is header 1, so I'll select it to header 2, and if I give publish again and click on preview changes, then I will see the difference between this one and this one header. Okay, so this one and this one is totally different, and if I refresh here, then this one will comes also in our homepage 1, as you can see here. As you can see here, the changes have been made. Now it's come the point that okay, we have successfully changed the header part or the footer part. So for the footer area, you need to also click on the page settings, and you can see the footer part here. If I go on the footer options, then the footer 2 is working here. Now if I want to like change the footer 2 from footer 1 for this specific home page, then I need to change it and click on publish. Then if I go on the preview and go to the bottom, then you will see the changes that I have been just made. As you can see the difference between these two, header and footer. Now okay, we have successfully changed the header and footer, but how to edit this header and footer? That's the question. So suppose we are in home 1. Now if I hover on this edit with Elementor button, then you will see the footer 1 and the header 2 part. So if I click on the header 2, if I click on here, then I can edit the header 2 area. So in here you can change your content from here. As you can see, you can select the language here. So for this language, like we are using the Z Translate plugin, the header is not working perfectly now because it's need to be configured well, as you can see here. it's need to be configured. So if I go for the configure options, then I need to go here with settings, then here the option Z translate, and then from widget looks to float, we need to select the language names only, and then after that we need to click on save changes. Now if I go here and give a refresh, and you can see the actual drop down that we have made. And after doing this, we are having the language drop down working perfectly. And if I click on the Arabic, then you see the content has been changed to Arabic. And if I change to English, then it will convert it into English too. So that's why the language is working perfectly here. And here's some social icon that you can edit from here. And here's the site logo that you need to, you can change from here. And here's the menu. There you can select some style also. And for editing the menu, you need to go here in appearance, then menus. And then we are having mobile menu and primary menu. So if I if I want to edit the primary menu, then I need to click here and click the select button. And after the select, you can see the pages that have been here. So you need to just remove and do the drag and drop, and make sure that the primary menu is selected here. Otherwise, it will not show in this place. So by editing this content from here, this menu will be also changed. Here is some call now button text, and here is the cart icon, and here is the off canvas. So for the off canvas, if I click on here, the off canvas, this is not working because the off canvas content that need to be set, that is not set here. Okay. So for setting that, we need to go here in widgets, and in the off canvas, you can see here, if I click on the list view, you can see the off canvas sidebar, and in the off canvas sidebar there is no content right now. So if I go here in the off canvas and add some like paragraph, paragraph text, and give some demo text, and we can add some image here. And if I go to the media library, then I can add some images through here. Okay, if I click on the update button now and go here and give the refresh, and if I click now, then you will see the content here. So you can edit your widgets from here. Your off canvas area, you can edit from here. So by this, you can edit your header part. And if I go for the responsive area in the header part, and you can see here the social menu, social icon has been activated here now for the responsive, and one logo and a off canvas menu. And this off canvas menu, if I click on here on the icon, then you will see the mobile logo. You can upload it from here. And for if I go on here and inspect and go for the responsive view, if I click on here, then I will see the mobile menu also here, the home, blog, pages, shop, and contact us. So for editing that part, we need to go here, appearance, then menus, and we are having the mobile menu area, and need to click on the select button. And if you want to edit from here, like I want to remove this from here, home 1 or home 4, I want to remove. Then if I click on save changes, then if I go here and give a refresh, and if I open the mobile menu, then if I click on the home, then you will see only 3 home pages. The other 2 home pages that has been removed from here. So by doing this, you can edit the mobile menu also. So there is nothing for the header part to show. So by this way, we can edit the header part. Now we can go for the footer area also. So for editing the footer part, we will hover on here with edit with Elementor, and you can see the footer one. Now the footer that is being shown here, like footer one, if I click on here with the footer one button, and if I open another one to check how this footer is working. So you can see here the get regular title update. You can edit your content from here. So I will delete the update text, and if I click on publish, then if you can see here the update text. If I refresh here, then you will see the content has been removed. And here is another subscribe button. So it is coming from obviously contact form. So if any contact form comes from here, then you need to check this shortcode first. The shortcode name is contact form 7, and there is an ID and there is a title that is called newsletter. So for editing this mail part, we need to go here in here. We need to go on here the contact button, and you can see the newsletter. So for editing that, I will go here with the edit button, and you can see here the email is dynamic, and the button is also dynamic. So if I want to change anything like enter your email address, so I don't want that the address text to be shown, so I'll remove this and I'll click on save. And if I go here with here and give a refresh, then you will see only enter your email. And if I click on the subscribe button, then it is saying that please fill out this field. So I need to make sure that the email field is entered here. So if I give an email and click on the subscribe button, then it is showing that thank you for your message, it has been sent. Okay, so by this we can do this. And for the other part, like you can change if you know how to edit with Elementor, then you can change the logo here, you can change the text from here, you can change the button and the button URL, and you can change the gallery here, so you can upload the images that you want. You can set the social icon and the other text as well. So you can edit the copyright text, you can edit the privacy text, so you can edit all of these things, and you can change the background image for this one. So this way you can edit your specific home header and footer area, or if you want that separate about us page, that you can also do. So this is the specific header and footer, and if you want that the contact us page header and footer to be edited, so you need to go here and click on here, hover on here the edit with Elementor, and if you see the header one and the footer one, then you need to edit that to header and footer. So that's the way to how to edit the header and footer part of this theme. So now it's time to check how this contact us area is working. The breadcrumb area is working for this theme. So if I go here and remove all of this contact and this pages area, now suppose I want to edit this contact page, this breadcrumb area. So I will go on edit page, and yeah, there is also two part here. One is global and one is specific. So I will check the global one. So for checking the global one, we need to go here in page, and you can select the title, you can select the title tag, you can select the title color and the background image. So if I click background image, means the contact has this background areas image. So if I go here and if I upload a background image here, so if I check it and suppose I want to upload a bigger image here, as you can see here, this one is perfect. And I need to background repeat to no repeat, background size is cover, background position is center. Okay, then after that, if I click on save changes, then if I go on contact us page and give a refresh, then you will see the contact us page here. That's the background image that has been successfully changed. Now suppose I want to hide the breadcrumb area. So if I click on the breadcrumb part, and give a refresh, then you will see the breadcrumb that was there here, that is not here anymore. So again, we'll enable the breadcrumb area. So I'll click on the show and click on the save changes button, and I will give the refresh here. So this breadcrumb area has come. Now this is for global one, like the blog page. If I go to the blog page or blog details page, this same things will work like this with the breadcrumb background image. So now I want that, okay, for the contact us page I want a specific breadcrumb image. So for that we need to click here with edit page, and we'll see the options here, the page meta, and here we'll have the page breadcrumb area show and hide. So if I click on the hide and click on the save button, and if I give a refresh, then you will see the breadcrumb area that has completely gone. There is no breadcrumb area anymore. And if I go here with show again and select the global settings means the settings that is here that will come for our contact page also. So no, I don't want a global setting, I want a page setting. That means for this specific page. Now if I want to add a breadcrumb image, so if I want to add another breadcrumb image, then I can select from here. So if I choose this one or a bigger one from here, so if I click on use this image and click on save, then if I go here in the contact us page, then I will see another image here, and the blog page that is having another background image, and contact us is having another background image. And you will see the paste the breadcrumb area that is not showing, that's why the breadcrumb area is not coming here. Now if I click on here with the breadcrumb and paste title with the default setting, and if I click on the save, then give a refresh, then it's coming perfectly. So this way you can edit the breadcrumb area with the different images. So now it's time to edit the slider of our home page. So I'll go to the home page one, and for editing this slider or other contents, as you can see here, we'll check how we can edit all of these things. And there is another thing that we need to be fixed, that is this one here, the add to wish list button. As you can see, it is not configured well. So if I want to configure this, then I need to go here with TI wish list. Then you can see here the export import setting, and then we need to import our file from here. So for that file we need to go here the demo data, we need to extract this file, and inside the demo data we will find a file called wishlist, and inside the wishlist we will find a JSON file. So we'll drag and drop this JSON file to here, and we'll click on import. And in here wishlist page, we will select the wishlist page if there is any. Yeah, there is the wishlist page, so I need to select this wishlist page and click on the save button. And if I go here again and give a refresh, then you will see the wishlist button perfectly, and the error has been fixed here. So now it's time to edit the home page with the Elementor. So we have seen how to edit the header part. Now we'll see how we can edit the slider area, and slider is having 4 style. So with this beautiful 4 style, you can use it in your other home pages as well. So you can change your content from here, the background images, the shape images, and the content, and the about us text, and the button URL, and the video URL. So you can change it from here. And we are having some settings also with the color of the title. As you can see, it has been changed within the seconds, and the subtitle that also will get changed. So by changing this, you can modify these things. Now it's time to edit the service. So if I click on the service area, so you will see the service style of 5 service style, and is it slider or is it the column part. So if I select the column, then it will convert into the column. and if I select the slider, then it will be slider. And the all post from, obviously it will come from a post type, and we have made a post type for that. So for editing this like deep blue, mustard and the content and the other things and the details content, we need to go here with the service, and you can see here this service is supported with Elementor. Now if I click on here with edit with Elementor, then you can edit your contents from here, the details content from here. And for editing this title and this subtitle from here, you need to go here with the edit button. And by editing this, you can change the service icon, as you can see here with this, and you can write your flat icon class, and you can change the thumbnail images, you can change the title, you can change the things that are needed to be changed. So by doing the changes, you need to just click on save button. You can set the categories and the tags also for this specific service post. So by editing this, there is 8 services. You will able to edit all of the services that is having here. You can set the read more text. You can show how many items that will you want to show. So you can increase or decrease it by the options that are available here. And here's the options that we have made. So it's just drag and drop or clicking and just editing your content, as you can see. So for the team member, we are having the slider here, and there's nothing to worry that you are seeing it here. There is an SVG image, that's why it's looking like this. So if I go here, you can select the style one and the product count. You will see the real one from here. The content that is in your output or client is saying, that is the real one. So this is the real one. Okay. So you just need to configure the products that you want to show, or the categories that you want to show, that will be shown here. And if you can also select the desktop items here, like the 3 desktop items, and or you can make it to 4. You can enable the autoplay, you can hide the arrows also. And the product is coming from here, the products area that we have used for the WooCommerce. So you need to edit the products from here. Then the logo carousels, then the blog post. I hope you guys know that how to do the blog post, and you need to edit these options from here. After making all of the changes, you just need to click on the publish button. So if you can edit the home page, then you can edit the about us page or the other pages as well. And I have already shown that how this shop details, and if I go on the shop details here, then you will see this beautiful shop details area, and you can edit all of this. And so the final part, that will be the contact us area. So if I go with the contact us page, and we will see a contact form here. So for editing this contact form, first of all, we need to check that from which contact form this contact form is coming here. So if I click on edit with Elementor, and I will remove this show, and I will click here that which contact form is coming. So if I check the ID, and you can see the contact form 1, the title name is contact form 1. And if I go on here with the contact, and if I go, there is 2 contact form. One is that I have created, and one is the default one that has been created when I have installed the contact form 7 plugin. So I will need to check the ID. What is the ID here? So the 11 is the last ID. So here's the 111, this one. So if I click on the edit button here, and then you will see these options from here. Now suppose you want to change this send message button, so you can send it, or suppose you want to make another one after this your number, then I will just copy one. I'll just copy this one and paste it here, and I want that it will be like this your message full width. So I need to make sure that this call md6 is call 12 and other classes is same, and I don't want that this will be a text area or the text. I'll want that this will be a suppose like I will give it a text, so I'll make it as a required field, and the default value will be your age. Okay, your age. And we can set some class attributes to form control, and if I copy it now and remove it, then I can paste it here. Now if I click on save button, then if I preview this contact page, then you will see the your age text is already here, and you can put the content here and click on the send it button. So this way you can edit your contact us page, contact form, and you can edit all of these things here from. So you can edit your address area, you can edit your contact us area, you can edit the map also. It's a tricky part for editing the map area. You need to go here with the structure, and you need to go here with the container again, and click on Google Maps. Otherwise you can't select it. So from here you need to insert an API for specific locations in the Elementor settings. So we can make it a little bit zoom here. As you can see, we can make it like more zoom, and we can give the height up or height low. So you can see it here, and after making the changes you can click on the publish. And there is some few more things that need to be cautioned here, like after first fully install the theme, you need to do some things. You need to click on here the Elementor, then go to the settings, and from here you need to disable the default colors and the default fonts, then click on the save changes button. And if you face you can see here the contact with us, and if I give a refresh now, so it's the same now, but you need to do these things. It's a mandatory, or you can check it out. And for the features area, if you are facing some font issue, then in the inline font icons you need to click on inactive, then click on save changes button. And there is another thing that need to be done also, that is if you go on the settings, then click on the permalinks, then you will see day and name. We also don't want day and name because it is not SEO friendly. So for the SEO friendly, you need to select on the post name and click on the save changes. So these are the things that need to be done at the first when you have just install your WordPress theme. So by this way, we can make our website for the fishing or your hobby things. So hope that you have enjoyed the themes, enjoyed the website that I have followed. And if you have any queries, any question, please comments below or contact in our support area. So thank you very much. See you on our next episode.